Hey guys, it's Lisa from Northside Mazda and I'm inviting you to our Shift into Spring event this Tuesday to Saturday. You're going to get 0% financing and lease options on available 2019 Mazdas. As well, we have up to $1,000 in Shift into Spring credit. On all remaining 2018 Mazda 3s, CX-5, and Mazda 6s, we're giving you 5 years of free maintenance. So that means 5 years of brakes, brake servicing, oil changes, maintenance, and tire replacement, all on us for 5 years. So all you have to do is fill the tank and drive. The wait is over. The all-new 2019 Mazda 3 and Mazda 3 Sport has arrived. All new, redesigned from the ground up and available in all-wheel drive, the only one in its class. Special introductory prices are available. So join us this Tuesday to Saturday for our Shift into Spring event. You don't want to miss it.